Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through how I preserve my veggies to prevent them from spoiling and at the same time saves time whenever I want to cook. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you wash your vegetables very well. This is what I'm doing. I'm washing my bell peppers and remove the seed. This is the carrots. This carrot is very dirty, so I have to take my time to scrape with knife and ensure that there is no dirt before I proceed. So now that my carrots and peppers are well cleaned, the next thing is to proceed to dice and slice them. I like having my veggies in two different shapes. The first one is just the long shapes and the other one is to dice. The dicing is probably for fried rice and all that, and the slicing is for spaghetti. I like my veggies long in my spaghettis. Please, you can wear your gloves before you start cutting your peppers. As for me, I can survive. I'm so used to it. So when you're done cutting, the next thing is to pick your Ziploc bags, then pour the veggies inside and make sure that you close it very well so that there is no hair coming through, no space for hair to come through it. What I'm doing here is to make sure that there is no hair inside, so make sure you do it this way. Now let's move on to our carrots. I do my carrots the same way I do my bell peppers. I like some diced and some sliced, like you get the drill. When you're done cutting the carrots, you follow the same step. Pour them inside the Ziploc bag and make sure that there is no space for hair to come in. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess. Now we are done with our cutting and locking up. So the next thing you're going to do now is to take them and place them in your freezer, your deep freezer. Please guys, don't put them inside the fridge. They won't survive in the fridge, only in the freezer. So whenever you want to use them, just pick them up and voila. Thank you guys for watching. Please share my video, like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.